Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show you and tell you how to find out who viewed your profile in TikTok. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to TikTok. Then we open the bottom right corner of our profile. On the top right corner, click on the three bars. Open Settings and Privacy. Then we open Privacy. We scroll down to the bottom. And we have a setting here called Profile Views. Click here. If you don't have it turned off, you need to activate it. Then you go to the main page. And right here at the top, you can see all the profiles that have visited you in the last 30 days. It's easy to see who has viewed your profile, but don't forget that you will be able to see it as soon as the time passes. If you liked and found this video helpful, you can subscribe to the channel, like it. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Goodbye.